I was driving to work today and I got an idea. I'm gonna put a cold air intake on my Malibu. Just because. This is a 2010 Chevy Malibu. Being 2018, it does have some miles on it. When I got it, it was like at 150 something thousand, and now it rolled over to 160. Here's the sound. So it sounds like that right now. That's kind of cool. Without the silencer. Here's another one. I don't want to go too fast around here. But anyways, that was 0 to 20, by the way. This car's got about 175 horsepower and like a massive 175 foot-pounds of torque. The speedometer goes to 140, but I don't think the car will. Alright, so as soon as I get back, we'll open this bad boy up. Alright, here's the filter. Kind of banged up because I've been using it for a long time, and I finally took it off to get the smog done, so not street legal and all that. But this thing right here, this is the little adapter that they hook it onto the car, and it has this little hole right there. That's where the sensor is going to go. I had to kind of modify it because they don't actually have one that technically fits this car, so kind of makes it a little funner. And then this little one, this guy, it's a cute little filter, that's going to go on this. This is the, I don't know what it's called. Anyways, it sucks air out of the box and it feeds it into the exhaust when you first start the car. Something with emissions and all that. So once all of that's off of there, there's no tube to connect it to, so I get this little filter on the end of it just for the hell of it. Start off by loosening these two clamps here. Of course, I'll be taking off all this electrical tape and this other zip tie. That was just to make that a little better connected there, less leakage. Ideally, what I would like to do would be to take this whole cover off. It really serves no purpose other than just this duct. This is literally a tube that's built onto this cover that feeds directly into the air intake. It's actually right below that. It's like, why couldn't they just have the filter hooked? I literally could just take this filter and hook it directly to it. But oops. Oh, not bad. Gotta get that sensor out of there now. There we are. It's always been annoying trying to get this thing out of here. There. The hole that the silencer used to be in, all underneath in there. Alright, since the sensor doesn't technically go to this adapter, I have modified it just by cutting out that little notch. The sensor's just going to slide right in there like that. I use some like silicone, seal it in there, we'll be good to go. So I get some super glue for a tiny filter. I just gotta sit here and hold it till it's dry, and then it'll be filtered. So when you start the car, it clears the exhaust pipe and sucks the air through this hole. Normally it would go through the air box with the other filter, but now it's gonna go through this guy. First, I'm gonna plug this hole here. Just make sure there's no leakage. Seal up around the sensor. Never said I was going to do any of this correctly, did I? Forgot about that. Forgot about that portion of the video. It's pretty much that easy. I've done it better before. This is kind of the quick and dirty version. Of course, I can put it all back to normal if I want to. If I have to get another smog check next year or whatever, because they've done it two years in a row now. Anyways, I made a little makeshift zip tie sling. Once all this is set up and dried, I'm going to take the electrical tape off that guy. So tomorrow morning, we'll get a sound test. I'll let you know how it goes. Sounds a bit louder. That sounds better. So much cooler. Alright, well there you have it. That's it for this video. I'm gonna go to bed now. Been up since like 5 in the morning. Anyways, like and subscribe and leave a comment. If you have any questions about anything, I don't care. Well, maybe I do. I don't know. Just leave them down in the comment section, and maybe I'll respond to them. Or follow me on Twitter at Aaron J. Fritsch. See you later.